Hey guys, for those of you who don't know me, I actually recently just started working for Tim Dahle here at Nissan in Southtown. I like to come up and say, hey, I just want to talk about the products because we have great cars here. But honestly, I just want to tell you my experience. When people start working for a dealership, they sometimes start telling you what you want and need to hear. So I just want to tell you my experience. First, with credit. My credit wasn't all completely there. I met one of the actual coolest people here. His name is Dirk, and he started working with me with our credit repair program. Super easy. It didn't take very long. I want Dirk to talk just a little bit more. This is the guy that I've been telling you about. He's who I use. He works fast. He wants to take care of you. He'll tell you just a little bit about what he did in the process.
Alrighty. Hi there. My name is Dirk. I'm the credit specialist up here at Tim Dahle NISSAN Southtown. And yes, we worked with Chatterley, and we helped her to improve her score substantially in a very short period of time. And I think we were able to get you into a car. And so all the friends of Chatterley, please come up here. Let's talk, and we'll help you as well.
He's the guy. I wanted to share my experience, and I don't want to brag, but I got a really cool vehicle, which is the Nissan Rogue. Now I needed the space. I have my little daughters. One of the biggest things for me, my hands are always cold. The steering wheel, the heated steering wheel was amazing for me. Another person that I worked very, very close with was Oki, but he works well, he works fast, and was able to get me a car. This is the guy that I wanted you guys to meet. He's not only a good worker and he'll fight for you, but he's actually a really, really amazing friend and person.
If you're looking for a car, there's nobody in the valley that's going to help you more than us. We're going to get you in here, get you with a credit counselor. They're going to start fixing your credit car. We do all I-10 numbers. We do them with 1 month job time. Doesn't matter. A picture ID from any country will help you. We're easy to work with. We'd sure love to see you here. And then we'll get you out in your new car.
I can't say enough about this vehicle. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I didn't buy this car because I work here. These people are going to take care of you. I'm going to take care of you. If you're in hard times, if you're trying to get credit up, if you don't know how to get pre-approved anywhere else, get to the car that you actually love, love, love to have. So I'm super excited, guys. Come and see me.
Tim Dahle NISSAN Southtown, home of the forever warranty.